Hi guys, Jangir here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make basic Filipino style pancit noodle, which is actually egg noodle, and then we're gonna see firstly the ingredients. I'm gonna introduce the ingredients and sauce, and then we're gonna go ahead and then cook this beautiful meal, which I like the most. So for this, my main ingredients, Pansit Canton, which is the egg noodle, as you can see. This is the brand I'm using. And today, instead of chicken or beef, I'm gonna use something different. I'm gonna use mussels. As you can see, this is frozen. This is the only I can find. There is no fresh naturally in this part of the world. For vegetables, I have some fresh cauliflower and pre-chopped onion and garlic over here. And I'm gonna use the rest of the vegetables frozen. This is the one I'm using. There are plenty of it, and so I'm gonna have about 900 gram, 2 packs. For the sauce, I have soy sauce. I use usually this brand, and I have a little bit oyster sauce. I'm gonna use with garlic. More, I love garlic. And I have the little bit of fish sauce. I will also include, but definitely I'm gonna use salt and pepper while I'm cooking. And the initial ingredients, as you can see, I have a canola oil. I will use to start processing all these ingredients. So let's get started, huh? So let's taste our Pansit noodle. This is my, not the first time. Not bad. I mean, I tasted worse, but this one is good. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit this like button. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.